Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
You can turn on your lights with a simple clap using Alexa. This feature makes your smart home feel like magic. First, you need an Echo device that supports sound detection. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Tap on the More icon at the bottom right corner. Select Routines from the menu list. Press the plus sign to create a brand new routine. Give your routine a clear name like Clap Light. Tap on the section that says when this happens. Look for the sound detection option in the list. Choose the specific option for clapping sounds. Select the exact Echo device you want to listen for the noise. Now you need to add an action to the routine. Tap on Add Action and select the Smart Home category. Find the specific light you want to control. Set that light to turn on when the clap is heard. You can also add a delay or a second action to turn it off later. Save your routine and test it out immediately. Stand near your Echo device and clap your hands firmly together. The device should recognize the sharp sound and trigger the light. This is great for when your hands are full of groceries. It also works well in dark rooms at night. Make sure your device is not too far from where you usually clap. You might need to adjust the sensitivity if it triggers too easily. If it does not work right away, try clapping much louder. You can set this up for any smart bulb or plug. It is a fun way to use Alexa.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.